Why is Python web routing essential for backend logic? Have you ever wondered how web applications know where to send your requests? Well, let's talk about Python web routing and why it is so important for backend logic. Web routing is the process that directs incoming web requests to the right parts of an application. This means when you enter a web address, routing helps the application figure out which function or code should handle that request. Without routing, a web application would be lost. It would not know how to respond to different requests, making it impossible to create organized and functional web services. In Python web frameworks like Flask and Django, routing is a key feature. It allows developers to create clear and readable URL patterns and link them to backend functions. This way, the backend can respond to user actions, whether it's viewing a page, submitting a form, or accessing an application programming interface endpoint. Efficient routing is essential because it supports both simple static paths and more complex dynamic patterns. These dynamic patterns can capture variables from URL, which is important for building RESTful application, programming interfaces, and structured web applications. Routing organizes how requests flow through the application, ensuring that each request triggers the correct processing logic. This organization helps maintain clean code architecture. It makes the backend easier to develop, test, and maintain. Plus, it allows for scalability. New routes and features can be added without disrupting existing functionality. Practically, Python web routing allows you to define endpoints that users can access through URL. It also handles different hypertext transfer protocol methods, such as GET and POST, to support various actions. You can extract parameters from URL to customize responses and integrate with other backend components like templating engines, databases, and middleware. For instance, in Flask, you define routes using decorators that connect URL patterns to Python functions. On the other hand, Django uses URL configuration files to map URL to view functions or classes. Both methods provide a clear and organized approach to handling web requests, making backend development more straightforward. In summary, Python web routing is a foundational element that connects the web interface with backend processing. It enables web applications to function correctly and efficiently. By supporting the development of scalable, maintainable, and secure backend logic, routing is essential for building modern web applications using Python frameworks.